Meta Quest 3 S128GB. A new reality awaits. It starts with a whisper, a question that lingers in the back of your mind. What if there's more? You're sitting on your couch, staring at the same walls, the same room, the same world. Familiar, predictable, safe. But something inside you stirs, a longing for something different, something extraordinary. You've heard the rumours, seen the ads. MetaQuest 3S, a sleek all-in-one VR headset promising to transport you to other worlds, promising escape, adventure, transformation. But can it really deliver? You hesitate. The promise feels too big, too bold. What if it's just another gadget, another box collecting dust, and then it arrives? The packaging is simple yet elegant. You open it carefully, hands trembling with anticipation. The headset sits there, gleaming, waiting for you. You pick it up, feeling the smooth curves, the lightweight. It's almost alive. You put it on. Darkness. And then light. You're standing in Gotham City. It's raining hard, the kind of rain that soaks through to your skin. You hear the distant rumble of thunder, the hum of the city alive around you. Neon lights flicker above shadowy alleys. The air smells of wet pavement and danger. And then you see him. Batman. Or rather, you see yourself. A voice crackles in your ear. Gotham needs you. Your pulse quickens. The sound of footsteps echoes behind you. They're getting closer. You turn, heart racing, fists clenched. The game has begun, but it doesn't feel like a game. It feels real. For a moment, you're paralysed. Can you do this? Can you step into the role of the Dark Knight, the defender of Gotham? But there's no time to question. You fight. The movements are fluid, responsive. Every punch, every kick, every block. It's seamless. The sound of combat surrounds you, pulling you deeper into the world. The tension builds with every encounter, every challenge. And just when it feels like you can't take anymore, when the tension is almost unbearable, you triumph. Victory. You pull off the headset, your heart pounding, your body alive with adrenaline. You're back in your living room, but everything feels different now. You're different. And that's just the beginning, because with MetaQuest Plus, you have 3 months to explore even more, to climb mountains, to visit alien planets, to dive into the depths of the ocean, or soar through the clouds, to escape, to connect, to grow. This isn't just a headset, it's a key. A key to unlock a version of yourself you've only dreamed of. And you wonder, why did I wait so long? The MetaQuest 3 S128GB is more than a device, it's a promise. A promise that the ordinary can become extraordinary, that you can break free from the mundane and step into a world of endless possibilities. You can't help but smile, because this isn't the end, it's only the beginning. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. The link for the product is in the description.